Hi students, how are you? I think all are good. This is the last video on heat chapter. Today I am going to conduct quiz 2 on heat chapter. Before that, please read the heat chapter thoroughly and watch my 4 videos, part 1, 2, 3, 4 and quiz 1 video also. There is no part 5, so that please read boiling, melting, freezing, latent heat of ice and vaporization briefly, please. Okay? If you try sincerely these quizzes, you will get lot of confidence on a heat chapter and yourself also. And also, these type of practices are so useful in your future, like JEE mains, advanced and NEET objective type exams, like that. Okay, all the best. So already you know that I am V Sivanarayana, TGTPS, AP Balayogi Gurukulam, Krishnarapalam, Krishna district. Okay, let us start. First one, the degree of hotness or coldness is called. There are 4 options. One is heat, thermal equilibrium, specific heat, and temperature. 4 concepts are there. So, what is the answer? Next, second one, the value of specific heat of ice in Celsius units. Already you know that there is a table in our previous videos. So here the value of specific heat of ice, kerosene, aluminum or different materials. The specific heat of ice in Celsius unit is what? 0.12, 0.5, 1, 0.95. What is your answer? Okay. Next one. Third one. Specific heat S or C is equal to. So here 4 options are there. What is your answer? So S is equal to Q by delta T, or S is equal to Q into delta T, or S is equal to Q by M into delta T, or M into delta T by Q. What is your answer? Okay. Next, fourth one, evaporation is a what process or which process? Evaporation is a which process? Is it a surface phenomena? Is it a cooling process? Or is it a warming process? Or both A and B? What is your answer? Please select your answer. Okay, next one. Fourth one, the boiling point of water is very, very important bit. The boiling point of water is 0 degree Celsius, 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, 37 degree Celsius and 100 degree Celsius. What is your answer? Okay. Next one. Sixth one. One of the important bit. The amount of heat energy of a 10 gram of substance is a 120 calorie. Then its latent heat is what? In calorie per gram. Latent heat, already you know that latent heat is equal to what? L is equal to Q by M. Q means amount of heat energy and M is mass of the given substance. So what is your answer? 1200, 1.2, 12 and 0.12 calorie per gram. Next, seventh bit. So here one of the important bit, convert 30 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. 4 options are there. So 293K, 273K, 303K, 300K. There is a relation between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. So what is your answer? So here we know that very well. There is a Celsius scale C, Fahrenheit scale F and Kelvin scale is K. There is a one formula. Please thoroughly read and give the answer. Next one. Eighth one. Rate of evaporation depends on. It is one of the maybe critical question. 8th bit, rate of evaporation depends on option 1 surface area, option 2 temperature, option 3 atmospheric pressure, and option 4 vapor already present in the surroundings. So read once again. Rate of evaporation depends on. There are 4 factors. Option A, both 1 and 2. Option B, both 2 and 4. Option C, both 1, 2 and 4. Or all are correct. Please try to think positive and take your right decision for this question. Yes. Next, 9th question. So here one of the formula is there, one of the important formula in our textbook. So one concept is there. So here 9th question, the temperature or the resultant temperature, that is capital T, of two sample of the same substance with masses M1 and M2 and temperatures T1 and T2 when added together, so what is the final temperature? So here M1 and M2 are two masses of the same substances and temperatures T1 and T2. If these two substances at two temperatures added, then what is the final temperature? What is the resultant temperature? Here 4 formulas are there. Okay, so please select one option, right option. Okay, next one, 10th one, melting point of ice. Before that, here another question, the boiling point of water from 5th question. Boiling point of water. Here melting point of ice. Boiling, melting point. Boiling point, melting point. That's why please read thoroughly. What is melting point? What is melting? What is boiling? What is boiling point? Freezing, like that. So here 10th question, melting point of ice is in Kelvin only, 0 Kelvin, 10 Kelvin, 100 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. What is your answer? Okay, please select one answer wisely. Next 11th question. So it is also one of the important question on thermal equilibrium concept. 3 bodies A, B and C are in thermal equilibrium. The temperature of C, here 3 bodies are there. One body temperature is 57 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature of A body is what in Celsius? Okay, are you clear? Here A, B, C are 3 bodies. They are in thermal equilibrium. That is one of the concept, main concept, important concept. So here C body temperature is 57 degrees Celsius. Then the A body temperature is what? 114, 28.5, 57, 171. Here 114, a double, 28.5, half, 57, no change, or 171. So what is your answer? Okay. Next question. 12th question. Same, another question also. Resultant temperature of mixture of 50 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius and 50 gram of water at 40 degrees Celsius. What is your answer? Resultant temperature. Here 50 gram, that is the mass of the given substance M1 and T1, M2 and T2. So here two masses and 2 temperatures. What is the resultant temperature? What is the resultant temperature? Options 30, 35, 40, 45. 5 increases like that. So please select your correct answer. Okay. Next question. 13th question. Here one formula is there. Here one formula is there, one principle is there. So heat lost by hot body is equal to heat gained by the cold body. Lost by the hot body, gained by the cold body. What is that principle? Option A, principle of method of energy. Option B, principle of method of thermal equilibrium. Option C, principle of method of calorimetry. All the above. So what is your answer? Please select or choose the correct answer. Okay, right? Next, 14th question. Water takes more time to heat and more time to cool. What is the logic? The reason is water had more what? So, very interestingly, 14th question. Water makes more time to heat up to what? Nearly 100 degrees Celsius. And more time to cool, it becomes to 100 to 0. It goes to 100, it comes to 0 or room temperature 27 or 25 degrees Celsius, like that. This is the special property of the water. Okay, I think options: option A, specific heat; option B, specific resistance; option C, specific gravity. None of this. None of this. So what is your answer? Next, last question. So match the following like that. Match the following. So here, this side, left side, 4 options are there, and right side 4 options are there. You have to connect these options. Okay, suppose for example, first one, specific heat of kerosene oil. Already you know that the specific heat of ice. Here specific heat of kerosene oil. When you go thoroughly through textbook, you will definitely give this answer. Specific heat of kerosene oil, what? Liquid to gas, 0.5 calorie per gram degree Celsius, 93.3 degree Celsius, or liquid to solid. What is the correct option? So here freezing means which one is the correct? Here you have to match this. Melting is which one option is the correct to melting? And 200 degree Fahrenheit is what? So you have to match these 4 options. So here 4 options are there. So you have to select one option and put the answer. So these are the 15 questions. Please select your options without lottery. Please try to read thoroughly and watch the videos, 4 videos, and 1 quiz is there, and then put your answers quiz 2. If you get more answers, please select these answers with your answer sheet and send the marks in comment box. Okay, thank you. We will meet on next video. Okay, and next chapter. Thank you. Bye.